Welcome to the quick tutorial on how to deploy a smart contract on ZenChain for the ZenQuest. I'm going to very quickly demonstrate how this is done. It's super easy. Before you can do any of this, you need to make sure that you've already gotten tokens from the faucet. All you're going to do is copy your wallet address, paste it in here, and then if you wanted to get double the tokens, you would be able to share on X and put that URL in here and hit receive ZTC. It's that simple. First thing that we need to do is we need to hop over to the tutorial. This outlines everything and has all the information that you need. I will put it in the description below. So first thing is that we're going to remix.ethereum.org. Once I've gotten through the basic onboarding, I'm heading over to the left side and I'm going to right click and hit new file. I am putting in HelloWorld.sol. SOL stands for Solidity. Great, and inside of the description, I'll include this little string of code, and I'm pasting in here. Perfect. Next, I'm heading over to Solidity compiler, and I want to do advanced configurations and change it from default, which is Prague, to Shanghai. Nice. And then I will hit compile HelloWorld.sol. Nice. And next I want to do deploy and run transactions. Now, before I do that, I need to make sure that I am connecting my wallet properly. So I'm going to hit environment just below that, injected provider MetaMask. That's the wallet I'm using. Connect. Next, I need to make sure that I'm connected to ZenChain Testnet, which it appears I am, which is perfect. And now all I need to do is hit deploy and confirm. After a moment, you'll see that the transaction has gone through, which is fantastic. I can also go into my MetaMask wallet and see the most recent transaction, and I can view on the block, and I can copy this to make sure that I have everything that I need to get credit for doing this properly. I'm heading back over to the ZenQuest platform. I'm selecting the quest about deploying contracts. I'm pasting and I'm hitting complete. And now I've earned my 500 experience points.